it was. So we're gonna clean this out. That looks better. Ooh, nice. Really nice. Got it. It's nice. Can't really clean it anymore, so. Ooh, that's nice. We got a gem. We got a gem here, boys. We got a gem. We have so got a gem. Well, a rock, whatever it is. Drop it. And pull it out. Oh my gosh. This is so clear. This is like so clear. Alright, let's turn the page and see what we got. What have we got here? We have found a rock crystal quartz. Wow. Check that out. We found it. So, since I missed most of the other part, we're going to actually try and excavate it for some more. So, there might be actually more. So, we're going to excavate it for it. So, we still got our brush. We got a rock crystal quartz. It's really nice. It's clear, but that might not be all. So we're gonna dig. Not right down the middle, but all the way down. Ooh, we got a second one. We got two. Alrighty. Be really fast. We got second. Right down the middle. We already hit something. Do you hear that hit? Do you hear that? Seriously, that sounds good. Ooh, I think I may have broken down. Ooh, you can see it on the side. You can see it from the side. Ooh, it's red. It's red. We got a red one. We have a red one. We have a red one right here. We have a red one. We got an amazing red one. We have a red crystal. Amazing. Can you guys see that? That's red. That's red. Right on the sidelines. Alright, so this is what I call treasure. Amazing. Digging it up. Guys, see that? We got it. I wouldn't call myself a pro, but this is really fun. Let's brush it and get a better glimpse. Ooh, what is that? Okay. Gotta take a squeeze. Stick this here and give it a blast of charcoal black water. Ooh. Okay. Glasses saved me. Alright, so we got a better look of what we got here. Since we have a better look now, we're gonna need to excavate it. Well, what do we have? A red rock. Man, this is something. Okay, we need to excavate a wider spot of this. Seriously. Where are you going? Oh. Ooh, we gotta get speed. Hit it. Alrighty. So we're gonna use that as the base to find the rock. Oh, it's going deep. This thing's deep, so excavate it some more. Ooh, something on the side. I think we have two. Ooh, it looks purple. I think we have a purple rock. Ooh, yeah, we got another rock already. That's 3 rocks, guys. That's 3 rocks. This is absolutely amazing. 3 rocks already. Okay, I think we gotta excavate this whole thing now. It's gonna hurt, but it's well worth all the digging. Oh, wait, we got a crystal. Alrighty. Ooh, I think we broke off a piece. Wait, no, we didn't. We found it. We found ourselves a pink crystal. Pink. Get it in there, wash it off. Ooh, after all that excavating, I wonder how much these stuff are worth. Alright, let's open the book. See what did we get? What did we get? What did we get, book? Ooh, this is red quartz. So we got red quartz. Can't wait to find that green one though. The purple one we already got. So far, the rock crystal quartz is the biggest. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I think we got the green one, not the purple. Or is that both? We gotta dig. Ooh, we got a green. We got a green here. It might be both. What is that? Like, we gotta get a better look. Seriously. Where's the bottom? Alright, ooh. Did we get anything? No, it's not the green. It's the purple. I can see that big part of the purple right there. I can see it. Man, that thing's big. Maybe small, but it's going in really deep. Slowly grinding it out. Slowly grinding it out. Gonna take a syringe. Give it some of its own taste. Okay. Got some of its own taste. Melt down. Okay, we gotta take some of that. Ready? It's gone. Ooh, okay. Yeah, sure enough, we got 2 rocks connected to each other. That is something. Now, guys, you're probably wondering, well, are you gonna take it apart? I'm not sure even how to yet, because I think they're connected. And in my case, I think that's cool. And if I take it to a shop, they're like, man, you got the rarest rocks in the world. And bro, they are connected. That makes it even rarer. That's for 10 billion. That would be awkward to learn that it's extremely rare. I'd be like, really? So my aunt just bought it off a store and it's rare? Man, that would surprise me so much. Just letting you know that did not actually happen. It's a Christmas gift. It's probably not. I don't know, but it's some nice rocks though. Alright, I'm gonna excavate from this side. Okay, we have dug ourselves out the purple rock. Amazing, huh? Drop it in there. Give it a wash. of itself. Sorry about the dirty water. I think we're gonna need the syringe. Okay. We got it into there. Ooh, that was a good excavating. Why didn't I think of that earlier? Ooh, it went down. Ooh, okay, we pulled it out. We have officially pulled it out. For single use. Okay, we're gonna give this boy a squirt. So I think we have already found all the rocks. We got the fluorite. Oh, okay, the growing crystals will be for another day. Catch you guys on another video. See ya.